Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, Pink V Code. Today I will be working on a unit that I made previously in the past. It's for a client. She was, tired of the ash blonde, so she wanted to revamp it and give it a fresh look. So I'm gonna be giving her a silver blue ombre look. But keep watching and you will get to see the finished product. Today's products that I will be using are Kiss colors. They are the best. They are very affordable. I'm using Sapphire and Mystic Silver. You want to make sure that you have a pretty good sized bowl to where you can mix the color with the water in. Baking time. Make sure that you are placing the water and the bowl in the microwave for at least 3 to 5 minutes. I choose 3 minutes. You want to make sure that the water is at least a little steamy so that it can break down the particles and the color. Okay, so I just added the silver and now I'm adding just a hint of the blue sapphire. Just a little bit of blue, just a tad. You don't want it to overshadow the gray color that we want the unit to come out. Stir it up really good so that you are breaking down the color and you don't have any chunks of color left in the water. Now it is time to place your baby in the bowl. Right now I am making sure that the hair is absorbing all of this color that is in the bowl, making sure that it's getting up in the hair and the cracks, those little strands that try to get away from me. We want it all in there. This color is sticking pretty fast, so you don't have to leave it in there too long, maybe about 20 or 30 minutes. So I have already dumped out the gray water and now I'm just dipping the tips into a little bit of the sapphire blue. I just want the tips to be blue. I don't want the whole thing to be blue. Now it's time to shampoo and rinse the unit. We are almost finished. I'm excited to see what the color is going to come out like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh yes, honey, I love it already. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the way it came out. Yes. Here is your finished product. I hope you guys loved the color. I love the way that it came out. The blend is bomb. That is a bomb blend, okay? Yeah, get up close, get into it. Get into it. If you have not already, please subscribe, and follow me. Ooh, I cannot wait until my client comes and sees her new revamped and revived unit. I'm just really excited for her to see it. I really am. I love it. I really want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for your likes, comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to watch. I want to know what your feedback is. Thank you, and subscribe. Pink V Code.